Cheryl Barron. I'm the president of the Tauranga Bird Club. And we have 1,435 birds entered here this year. And that's a good number for this time of year. It's a good number for this season, you know, in terms of the economic climate, so we're very, very pleased. We've had great visitor numbers through, and it's been very positive for us as a club. We've been absolutely overwhelmed by the support of the members of our club coming along to help with various aspects of the show and to volunteer their time to make this a successful show. And lots of the artwork that's on the walls here, the children get a free ticket to come to the show, and they bring their families, of course, so it's been really great for getting people in, you know.
Show's going really well. It's been a great turnout from the public. The local club's done a great job publicising the show and getting the word out. So yeah, good to see a heap of people here, lots of young people through, keen to see the birds and interested in our products. So yeah, we've had a great show so far.
Sales have been great. From the moment the doors were open at 9, we've been flat stacked. At one stage we had about 3 deep, and we had 8 staff working flat out. We've sold now, 12:30 on Saturday, we've probably sold 2/3 of what we had originally in birds and equipment, and we're delighted. It's public buying and also other bird club members, so it's gone really, really well, which shows that if you publicise and have it well presented, people will turn up.
Hello mate, how's the show?
It's fantastic. There's a lot of different varieties of the birds, and I love it.
Hello Mr. Peter, how was the judging?
Yeah, pretty good. There wasn't as many good birds as I thought were going to be here, but the top 10 were definitely the pick of them, and quite a few came out of the top 2. One of the top 2s came out of the fawn top class, and the silver hen current year did very well, and there was a cream cock that very nice bird, shaped bird as well, did well. But there was a lot of birds that weren't really up to scratch, and the entries were sort of down this year.
Oh yeah.
Because normally, you know, we get over 100 and something birds, but we only had 85, and there was quite a few scratchings. So yeah, so I don't think the quality was here this year that we have had in other years, and I think a lot of South Island people didn't come to the show.
Oh yeah.
Which can make a difference to some of the birds. So yeah, all in all, especially the top 10 were very nice birds.
Okay.